Hi everybody, welcome back to the Oso Valley. This is not really an update per se, this is a discovery of Kato track geometry, which I've never seen before, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's kind of interesting. So I'm just sat here in the garage today, just messing around with some track layouts, finalizing the design for the revised Oso Valley. And excuse me, I got a bit of a frog in the throat today. So anyway, don't worry, it's not coronavirus. It's hay fever. So I wanted to make the lower section a bit more interesting and have a little bit of industry, but without being too kind of maintenance heavy. So I thought I would use a turnout here, but also I wanted to utilize these two bridges. And the reason I wanted to utilize those two bridges, because originally they were over here, and that's not going to be a turnout anymore. That's just going to be a main line. So I've got these two bridges, but the problem with these two bridges is you can't put them too close together. So for example, if you use the normal Kato track width, which is that, between two tracks, you have two double straights, for example, that's how wide they are. And those two together, they need more space in between them in order to work. So the idea was, if I utilized this strange piece of track, and it's a standard Kato track. I'm not too sure on the number, I think it's S20250 or something like that. And they come in a set, and I've got a couple of them. So that would move that track out of the way, give me a bit of space to put an industry there. And at the same time, be able to use those two bridges, okay? But the problem is, if I've got a freight train on the inside track, and I need to get it over to the outside track, I need a crossover. Now I don't want a crossover down there, but I wanted a crossover here somewhere. So I started messing around with track geometry, and I came up with this. And if you look, basically it's two right-hand turnouts, and you can use left-hand turnouts depending on which way you want to go. And what I discovered is that center section is it's a standard S64. They do you need to be careful, there's two of those. There's an S62 and an S64. That one is an S64. And then all I did was to even everything up on both sides. I just used a standard Kato long straight in the middle. Oh, sorry, in between the two tracks. So one there and one there. That was it. And the geometry works perfectly, and everything fits and works. And yeah. No cutting, no soldering, and as you see, I'll just sort of offer up to it there. Excuse the shaky camera, so it will fit perfectly. It's just, I mean, nothing's bolted down at the moment, but so that's going to make for an interesting scene, because we'll have a wide track there, a crossover, and then a bridge, and then an industry. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So S64s, useful little things. You should get some, and they're cheap as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to have a proper update for you soon. Take care.